Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. This week we're going to be looking at the word controversial. Controversial. How many syllables do you think this word has? If you said 4 syllables, you're correct. Con-tra-ver-shul. Notice that the last syllable is pronounced shul. Now, where does the stress go in this word? The stress goes on the third syllable, ver. So this syllable is a little bit louder. Controversial. Controversial. Now let's move on to guessing the meaning based on context. Read the sentences on your screen and focus on the words in yellow. These words are the word forms that controversial can take. If you need some time, you can pause the video now. The meaning of controversial is likely to lead to disagreement. Is this what you got? If not, that's okay. Go back to the sentences on the previous exercise and see how this meaning fits into those sentences. Now that you have the meaning down, let's move on to figuring out the part of speech of controversial and its different word forms. On your screen are the same sentences that you read before, but instead of focusing on the meaning, focus on the part of speech. So, is the word being used as an adjective, an adverb, or a noun? If you need more time, you can pause the video now. As you can see from the chart on your screen, controversial is the adjective form. Controversially is the adverb form, and controversies is the noun form. Note that controversies is plural. If it were a singular noun, it would be spelled C-O-N-T-R-O-V-E-R-S-Y. Also notice that the adjective form ends with an AL. That's a hint because many of our words in English that end in AL often are adjectives. Additionally, the adverb form ends with an LY. That's another good hint. Okay, so far we've gone over the pronunciation, the meaning, and part of speech of controversial and its other word forms. The only thing left for you to do is to practice on your own. You can start with the question on your screen. Do you think there are benefits to being controversial? Make sure you support your answer and post it on our social media pages so that we can give you some feedback. And please stay tuned next week for our next academic word.